Have you ever wondered how businesses manage to have a professional phone presence without being tied to a physical landline? Or maybe you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach, but the thought of juggling personal and business calls on your mobile or investing in expensive traditional phone systems fills you with dread. You're not alone. In today's dynamic business landscape, flexibility and connectivity are key, and that often raises a crucial question. Does RingCentral give you a phone number? The short answer, a resounding yes, is just the beginning of a much larger and more exciting conversation. RingCentral isn't just about giving you a phone number. It's about giving you the right phone number, or even multiple numbers, along with a comprehensive suite of communication tools that transform how you connect with your customers and your team. For decades, getting a business phone number meant installing physical lines, expensive hardware, and being tethered to a specific location. Then came the internet, and with it, the revolution of Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP. RingCentral sits at the forefront of this revolution, offering a cloud-based communication platform that liberates your business phone number from those physical constraints. So, how does it work? When you sign up for a RingCentral plan, you're not just getting access to a service. You're essentially getting a virtual phone system. And central to that system is your business phone number. During the sign-up process, RingCentral guides you through choosing the type of number that best suits your needs. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, and that's where the power of RingCentral truly shines. Let's dive into the types of phone numbers you can get with RingCentral, because this is where it gets really interesting for businesses of all sizes. First up, local phone numbers. If you're a business looking to establish a local presence, even if you don't have a physical office in that specific city or state, RingCentral has you covered. They offer local phone numbers with area codes from across hundreds of locations in the US and over 75 countries worldwide. Imagine you're a consultant based in Lagos, Nigeria, but you want to attract clients in London. With RingCentral, you can acquire a UK local number, giving your potential clients in London the impression that you're right there, ready to serve them. This builds trust, familiarity, and can significantly boost your local appeal. Calls to that London number can then be seamlessly routed to your mobile app or desktop phone in Lagos, thanks to RingCentral's cloud infrastructure. Then there are toll-free numbers. These are the familiar 1-800, 888, 877 numbers that instantly convey professionalism and make it free for your customers to call you. This is a massive advantage for businesses looking to serve a national or even international customer base. When customers know they won't be charged for the call, they're far more likely to pick up the phone and connect with your business. RingCentral includes generous toll-free minutes in their plans, and you can easily add more if your call volume grows. This isn't just about cost saving for your customers. It's about removing barriers and encouraging engagement. And if you really want to make an impression, there are vanity numbers. These are toll-free numbers that spell out a word or phrase relevant to your business, like 1-800-FLOWERS or 1-800-GO-DOGS. RingCentral allows you to customize your phone number to make it truly memorable and aligned with your brand. This can be a powerful marketing tool, making your number easy to recall and reinforcing your brand identity in the minds of your customers. While there might be an extra fee for specific vanity numbers, the marketing benefits can be well worth the investment. Beyond these core types, RingCentral also provides international business phone numbers. If your ambition extends globally, RingCentral can give you virtual numbers in over 75 countries. This means you can establish a virtual local presence in different parts of the world, allowing international customers to call you at local rates, regardless of where your physical team is located. This is a game changer for businesses looking to expand their global footprint without the overhead of physical international offices. So, you've chosen your number, but what happens next? This is where RingCentral's comprehensive platform takes center stage. Your new RingCentral phone number isn't just a number. It's integrated into a full-fledged unified communication system. This means that with that number, you get a whole host of powerful features. Call management. This includes essential features like call forwarding, which lets you route calls to any device, your mobile, desk phone, or computer, ensuring you never miss an important call. You can set up advanced answering rules based on time of day of the week, or even caller ID, directing calls to specific departments or individuals. Voicemail to text. No more tedious listening to voicemails. RingCentral transcribes your voicemails into text and sends them to your email, so you can quickly scan and prioritize messages, even when you can't listen to them. Business SMS and MMS. Your RingCentral number isn't just for calls. You can also send and receive text messages, allowing for quick and convenient communication with clients and colleagues, all from your business number. This keeps your personal mobile number private. Auto attendant and IVR. For a truly professional touch, RingCentral lets you set up an auto attendant, a virtual receptionist, and multi-level interactive voice response, IVR menus. This allows callers to navigate through options and reach the right department or person without human intervention, improving efficiency and customer experience. Mobile and desktop apps. The beauty of RingCentral's virtual numbers is their accessibility. You can make and receive calls, send messages, and manage your communication directly from the RingCentral mobile app on your smartphone or the desktop app on your computer. This means your business number goes wherever you go, ensuring seamless connectivity for your remote or on-the-go teams. Call recording. Many RingCentral plans include automatic call recording, which can be invaluable for training, quality assurance, or simply reviewing past conversations. Integrations. RingCentral seamlessly integrates with popular business tools like CRM systems, Salesforce, Zendesk, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and more. This streamlines your workflow and ensures your communication data is connected across your business operations. The process of getting a phone number with RingCentral is designed to be quick and easy. During the initial sign-up, you'll be prompted to select your desired number type. Once your account is active, you can easily add more numbers through your online dashboard, assigning them to different users, departments, or even specific marketing campaigns. This scalability is crucial for growing businesses that need to expand their communication infrastructure without a major overhaul. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.